After more than 3 years of AI overviews, Google's finally giving websites the option to leave themselves out of its AI-generated search results. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to tech hub. Google said in a blog post that it would begin testing a new toggle inside of its search console, allowing website owners to decide if their web pages appear in Google's AI search features like AI overviews and AI mode. But if they opt out, Google said the sites leaving will not receive traffic or impressions from our generative AI features. The opt-out option may have come about due to pressure from UK regulators. In January this year, the UK government announced that it would force Google to implement an opt-out measure to provide a fairer deal for content publishers. Google responded in March, saying it would develop updates to let sites specifically stay out of generative AI features in search. Along with this, Google's also rolling out new insights inside of Search Console that'll show websites the metrics of which of their pages appear in AI responses and in what countries. Google said that it's actively listening to feedback from publishers and creators and engaging with regulators when it comes to providing website owners the right tools as user preferences change. This came just weeks after the company introduced a new dynamic search box at I/O 2026. The search box can handle complex queries as well as process videos, images, files, and even Chrome tabs. But of course, it's all AI. Even if that sentiment was premature, there's been growing resentment toward Google from publishers who supply the information that makes the company's AI search features possible. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.